I'm gonna show you how to make the best and easiest homemade bread so you'll never need to buy store-bought again. And you only need 5 ingredients. All you need is water, olive oil, flour, yeast, and salt. Mix it all together until a dough ball forms, then stretch and fold into a smooth ball. Once you have your dough ball, cover it with a towel and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. If you want it to rise faster, place it somewhere warm and dark. Once it's ready, flour your dough, shape it to fit a loaf pan, and set it inside. Now just slice the top with a knife, bake in the oven, and you've got the best tasting bread you'll ever have. This bread costs just pennies to make, tastes better than anything you'll buy at the store, and saves you money every time. Follow me to eat better and spend less.